Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for your daily dose of sugar.
Hi everyone, this is Shohini Chanda and today I'm going to create this beautiful black smoky eye look. Now this is my absolute favorite and today I thought of sharing this look with you guys. So if you guys want to see how I create it, then please keep on watching. So I have already done my brows and the brow product today I've used is the Arch Arrival Brow Powder in the shade 04. Now it's time for my eye makeup because today's video is all about the smoky eye look. Now I am going to use a concealer to prime my eyelids and the concealer I'm using is the Magic Wand concealer in the shade number 30. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on my eye. I'm also going to carve out my brows. So now if you want you can set it with the powder, but I'm directly going with the eyeshadow because it pops very well. For my eye makeup today I will be using this Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade Warrior. So I'm taking the first shade and I'm going to apply that on my crease with a blending brush. Now I'm going to take this chocolatey brown shade and I'm going to apply that on my crease again with a dome shaped blending brush. So now with a fluffy blending brush I'm just going to blend both the shades together. Next up I'm going to take this matte black shade and I'm going to apply this on my crease again. Now this time I'm using a flat brush. Just keep the black shade right here, don't take it upwards. Now I need that most intense black smoky eye. So that is why I am going to use a gel liner. Now you can use a kajal or a black eyeshadow like a cream eyeshadow for this because it will make it more intense and more black. So today I'm going to use the sugar gel liner. So I'm starting with my upper lash line. I'm just going to mainly focus it right here. Now with the smudger brush I'm just going to blend out the gel liner. So as you can see it is done. Now I'm going to apply the same matte black shade just above this. Again going back with the same chocolate brown shade and I'm just going to blend out my crease. Now that's done. I really like the intense of this smoky eye. Now next up I am going to apply some mascara. Now if you are comfortable wearing falsies, just go for it. Otherwise a mascara is a great option as well. Just go with a two or three layers of mascara I would say. So today I'm going to use the Lash Bomb Limitless Mascara. Alright guys, now I am going to complete this eye. I'm going to apply some falsies and I will be right back to do my base makeup. So for my base I am starting with a primer of course, and the primer today I'm using is the Most LG Blur Smoothing Primer. Now I am going to color correct my face because I do have a little bit of scar right here and also little dark circles and pigmentation. Today I'm using the Face Forward Corrector Stick in the shade number 1 Peach. So now for my foundation, today I'm using the Drop the Base Serum Foundation. Now it has a very light to medium coverage. If you want a heavy coverage, you can go for the stick foundation from Sugar. So foundation is done. Next I am going to use the same concealer to highlight my highest points of my face. So now it's time to bake my under eyes because I do crease a lot. So for today I am using the Sugar Set the Tone Tinted Powder in the shade number 10 Latte. So now for my lower lash line I am going to use the same brown and the matte black shade. And now I am just going to dust off all the baking powder I have on my skin. I'm using the same gel liner on my waterline as well. And now I'm going to do my contour, blush and highlight, and for that today I'm using the Contour de Force Face Palette in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. So before applying my highlighter, I am going to set my face using the Grand Finale Setting Mist. Alright, to complete this whole look, I am going to use a beautiful nude lipstick. Now today I'm using the Matte as Hell a lip crayon in the shade number 20 Buffy Summers. Alright you guys, this is my final look. Let me know if you guys like it or not, and comment down below if you guys did, and give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys soon. Until then, take care. I love you all. Mwah.